everybody, welcome to my channel. We're gonna make today cheesy beef rice skillet with pepper, zucchini, avocado, and yogurt, but we're not going to use yogurt, we're going to use sour cream. So I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we're going to use. Okay, what we're going to need is garlic. Hang on. Okay, what we're going to need is an avocado. Basmati rice, that's what that is, and it's my perfect labeled container. Cheddar cheese, cilantro. I do buy the cilantro, then I freeze it, and I just take out what I need. Diced tomatoes, it says 2, I'm only using 1. Garlic, jalapeño, hamburger meat. It says plain Greek yogurt, but I'm going to use sour cream, and a yellow bell pepper, a yellow onion, a zucchini squash, black pepper, whoops, black pepper, and salt. Oh, I did pull out the dry cilantro, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use the frozen because I found it.
I've been out on the streets where the lights are red. I've been hiding the world safely in my head, where nobody's ever been.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to cut and slice and dice the jalapeno. What I did was I opened it up and I cut the guts out of it. The reason I have on gloves is I wear contacts, and it does hurt when you get that into the your eyes when you have contacts, trying to take them out. So what I'm doing here is I'm prepping the onion and the bell pepper, and I'm washing the bell pepper, and I'm going to cut, I washed and cut the zucchini. What I'm going to do is slice and dice it also, and then I'm going to add that to my bowl.
I've been walking around, I've been listening to the sound of my heart and remembering how it echoed in my chest. Never give up your song before it makes it through. Never lay down and die with your music in you. Open up and let it out. Yeah, scream it out. Our song will never fade away. We'll always be fighters. I'll hold your hand till judgment day.
Now what we're going to do is the same thing to the bell pepper and the onion. Is we're going to slice and dice this, and then we're going to add this to the bowl. Some of y'all are probably wondering, why does she still have on her gloves? I said, because there's jalapeno juice on this cutting board, and I really don't want it on my hands to go into my eyes because it burns bad. Anyway, when I'm doing the voiceover, this is at 6:40 in the morning. Not the next day, but several weeks later. This was filmed in the hottest part of summer. Now it's cooling off.
The beat of your heart and remembering you were never ever lost. You were never lost. Our song will never fade away. We'll always be fighters. I'll hold your hand till judgment day. We'll stand.
Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to slice the cilantro up. Even though it's frozen, it's okay. It still tastes like cilantro. It's thawing out pretty much now to cut up, so it's easy. Anyway, I'm going to put that back in the freezer. I am going to add my hamburger Okay, now what I did was I added my can of diced tomatoes to this, and I think I'm gonna add my seasoning. Maybe not. I salt and pepper as I go. Now I'm gonna add my meat. That's what I'm gonna do. It's been a while since I fixed this, as you can tell, but the recipe will be linked down in the description, and it is really good. I was shocked. The hamburger meat is done. We're going to take that and put it in a separate bowl so we can saute our vegetables, and we're going to put very little oil in the pan, and which you don't see here, I don't think. I don't put oil in the pan, I don't know, you can put a little bit of oil in the pan if you want to, some olive oil. I guess I chose not to.
Like fire inside. I wish we could stay alive together forever. Yeah. I don't want no one but you. I know we'll make it through. When the life we know is gone, I know that we Our love will never fade away. It will keep us together.
The last 2 weeks has been really rough for me. Y'all keep me in your prayers. My aunt passed away in a fire. My mom's best friend, Benita, she passed away. So pray for her, their family. And then yesterday I found out that my ex-mother-in-law passed away. She was very nice to me. And she fell a couple of months ago, and they didn't expect her to live then. I guess she hit her head. And my ex-brother-in-law called my ex-husband, and then my ex-husband and son called me, and my ex-husband's having strokes, mini strokes, TIAs are what they call them. Anyway, so what we're doing here now is we're going to put our food in a bowl, put our avocado, put it on top. They don't like sour cream, so what I did was I put sour cream on mine. But y'all just keep me in your prayers, keep my family in your prayers. It's been a rough month. The beginning of the month, we buried my best friend. So it's 4 deaths in a month, in less than 4 weeks. That's tough. So anyway, we're going to dish this up, and that is going to be dinner.
enjoyed this segment. Molly Jo just escaped. Like always. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope y'all try it, and we'll talk to you later. See you, bye.